I've actually used this meter a couple times. This really tests the pH balance in your drinking water. You just stick it down in there and you could see the different types of drinking water, high mineral springs, EPA max contaminant level. So let's hope our drinking water is not at the 500. Last time I checked it, it was right around the 50. So we don't even really have hard water in our house, but you know what? It's always handy to have one of these things and check your water, especially if you're drinking, if you're not filtering your water, always check your water. Now, apparently what this checks for more than anything, it checks for minerals inside the water. So what does the meter mean? It is that it does not test for like bacteria. So let's just get that straight. This is more or less for maybe fish water tanks and planting. So if you're doing something like that, a TDS filter is exactly what you need. For example, a glass deodorizer water with glyphosate, the herbicide dissolved, the TDS meter will still show 0, but there could be glyphosate inside of the water here. And here's a good example. So this right here, so this is my home tap water. And let's just check this out. I just wanted to show y'all this. My tap water is at 20, which 20 puts me right in the drinkable range, ideal drinkable range. 0 to 50 is perfect. And then over here, so we're gonna clear it. Now this is straight rainwater out of my rainwater bucket. We are at 16 on that, so 16 and 20. Now, obviously, I would not drink this rainwater because it has not been filtered, and there's possibility of bacteria in this, which this water filter will remove that bacteria, but we can't. This doesn't pick up bacteria. So this is kind of useless on that, but I just wanted to kind of show you all that. And I kind of wanted to show you this meter because I have one of these meters, and I think it's great for basic using for checking your water for different things.